as you can see here, I've already started baking my face. Just a little big ol' warning for you guys, because this is not gonna be a serious commentary all throughout the video, because it gets kind of repetitive telling you exactly what I'm doing when you can actually see what I'm doing. You know, so I'm probably just gonna talk shit and tell you how much I love BTS. Oh, look at Jin and look at Jimin. As you can see, their makeup is quite natural, but they wear contact lenses, so I'm gonna be wearing contact lenses too! I'm gonna be using a dark brown to deepen up the look, because BTS is very deep and mysterious. I am honestly still confused about their wings concept, because is Jin dead or not? Are the rest of the BTS members just a fragment of Jin's imagination, or are they all dead? The suspense. This is Jin. He is light pink and shimmery. He often brings the look together, and also brings the group together. Now I'm gonna use a dark brown to line the upper lash line and then halfway through the lower lash line. Just to like, I don't know, apparently it makes your eyes look bigger, but I don't know. Now I'm gonna be curling my eyelashes to the extreme, because my love for BTS is to the extreme too. I'm so lame. So taking a waterproof mascara, this will really hold up your curls, because the non-waterproof one, they don't have like enough wax in them or something, so I always go for the waterproof ones. Now it's finally time to take the bake off. The bake as in like the powder on my face, not the Great British Bake Off, if you were slightly confused. Now it's time to shine bright like J-Hope, because, you know, he's as bright as the actual sun. And look at this highlight, that's J-Hope on my face right there. Right, so I've been meaning to ask this question to makeup artists out there. Does highlighting your cupid's bow really make your lips look bigger? Because I really can't tell the difference. On people who have thin lips and big lips, like, it just, I don't know, I just don't think it looks bigger. It's just me. At this bit, I was trying to do that gradient lip thing with the liquid lipstick from NYX, but I say try, because after I did the gradient, I went and put on the Revlon matte, apparently matte, lip gloss or whatever it is, and that just basically covered my whole lip, so there was not much point of doing the gradient lip, I guess. But anyway, I think it looks nice. I think I'm done with the makeup for the spring day inspired look. Just need to fix up my hair. For the hair, I'm gonna be going with like a soft, loose waves. I'm gonna use this Toni & Guy curling one that's like an inch and a half thick. This is how I normally curl my hair. I part my hair down the middle and then bring all the hair to the front and then get the section from the back. I clamp it onto the curling wand and then slowly turn away from my face, and the way to keep the hair inside the clamp is to slightly release the clamp but keep twisting closer to your head so that all the hair is wrapped around the iron and all of your hair gets heated up and then get curled. And this is just how I get the sections from the back to the front. I'm not very precise with these things because it's just going to be a loose wave anyway. It's not going to make that much of a difference. So just get a section, just a section, and then curl it. And for this particular look, I'm going to be curling my hair away from my face, all of my hair away from my face, because I just think it looks more neater and more softer for this spring day look. Just in case anyone is confused about my outfit, if you look at the music video, there's not a single scene where no one wears stripes. So I'm gonna wear stripes too! I'd advise you to let your hair cool down before you put your fingers through your hair, because it holds the curl a bit more if you do that. And then after it's cooled down, you can just brush your hair through with your fingers. Don't use a brush though, I think it works the best with fingers. Okay, I'm sick of this look already. Let's just swiftly move on to the next one. I'm gonna be bringing you guys closer in. Did you like that? Did you like that? I'm quite proud of myself. From the Naked 2 palette, I'm gonna be taking this color called Tease and darken it up a bit more. It's kind of like adding a grey tone to it to make it a bit more mysterious, I guess. I'm also going to be taking an even darker color and putting it on the lash line and the outer corners of my eye to kind of like transition into the dark Not Today music video inspired kind of makeup look. Yeah. You might also want to blend out the harsh edges to make it look a bit more soft like Jimin's cheeks. Then I'm gonna be adding a hint of gold because all of the members' heart is made of pure gold. That's my logic. Then put on your favorite pair of lashes. These ones are from eBay. Don't worry, we're nearly done. I know this video is very long, but we just need to contour, add some dimension to this badass face. I'm hoping this bronzer will help me hide all the bad decisions I've made in my life food-wise and make me look a bit more slimmer, but I highly doubt that. I'm gonna use the Beauty UK bronzer that I used for my nose contour just to set the cream contour. Finally is the lip. I'm just gonna take this NYX red liquid lipstick and put it on the center of my bottom lip and then blend it out with my finger to create that typical Korean gradient lip. And wait for it, wait for it. I'm so proud of myself but ashamed at the same time, and that's really sad. Okay, I'm gonna curl my hair inwards, random sections throughout my hair, because I find that may look more voluminous and a bit more messy and texturized. Yeah? Is that the right terminology? I'm also recurling some of the bits that go outwards just to define it a bit more. And as you can see, the spring day hair looks a bit different than the Not Today one. The Not Today hair looks a bit more voluminous and has a bit more personality, I think. Sorry, I saw the opportunity and I just couldn't help myself. And I'm highlighting my face even more because I want BTS to see me all the way from South Korea. Hey! And that's pretty much it for this spring day and Not Today makeup inspired look for girls. Thank you so much for watching me just put loads of makeup on my face, I guess. That's pretty much what a tutorial is. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you like it, give it a like down below. Comment if you want. Leave any type of comments, hate, love, anything. Follow me on my Instagram and you can also follow me on my Snapchat at Anjila Tamang. And if you really like to see my face again, then please subscribe. Maybe, maybe not, maybe yes, maybe.